Hi, I'm Michael from Quitch Support. Today I'll be going over our newly improved content authoring experience. Let's start by creating our first quiz. You have three options: create with AI, upload from an Excel spreadsheet, or create from scratch. Let's create from scratch. Detailed guides on the other options can be found in the video description. Give your first quiz a name, and then place it inside a section. A multiple choice question is auto-generated for you. A preview of what it will look like in the app is off to the right. Click the cog to change settings, add hints or explanations, or add an image. Provide your own image or search the library. Our other question types can be added by this plus button. Resources are also found here. Let's add a YouTube video. Give it a title and a description. You can schedule individual pieces of content, or click the Publish button at the top right to do it in bulk. The Create New Quiz button does exactly that. Here I'm demonstrating how to harness the power of our AI feature to generate 10 or so questions. Once you've organized them, that's it. You can also delete the questions you don't want. Let's schedule this topic to go out to our learners now. Rearranging content is easy, and you can also move topics and sections. Experiment to see what feels best for your learners.